Tired of items cluttering your eBay cart with no obvious way to remove them? Here's the exact click to clear it instantly. I'll show you the simple steps. Sign in, open your cart, and remove any item in seconds. So let's start from the very beginning. Open up your browser and head over to ebay.com. This works the same whether you're on a laptop or a desktop computer. Just type it in or click that bookmark you probably already have saved. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar eBay homepage with all the deals and categories. Now, you'll need to sign in to your eBay account. Look for the Sign In button, usually up in the top left corner. Click that and enter your email or username and your password. If you're like me and you've got a bunch of items sitting in your cart from weeks ago, chances are you're already signed in. But if you're not, just take a moment to log in. And here's the thing, make sure you're signing into the right account. I've seen people get confused when they have a personal account and a business account, and they end up looking at an empty cart, wondering where everything went. Once you're signed in, go ahead and click the cart icon in the top right corner. It looks like a little shopping cart. You'll see a number next to it showing how many items you've got waiting in there. Click it and your cart will open up, showing you everything you've added. Now you need to locate the specific item you want to remove. Scroll through your cart and find it. Maybe it's that thing you added on a whim last week, or something that went out of stock. Just find the one you want gone. If you've got a lot of items, this might take a second, but it's easy to spot because each item has its own little section with a picture and details. When you found it, click the Remove button right next to that item. It's usually in small text, maybe a link or a button, depending on the version of eBay you're seeing. Don't worry if it looks a little different on your screen. eBay sometimes changes things up, but the Remove option is always there. Just click it and you're halfway there. You'll need to wait a moment for the item to be removed. This usually happens instantly, but sometimes there's a brief loading animation. Give it a second or two. I've tested this plenty of times, and it's always worked smoothly. Don't click anything else while it's processing, or you might accidentally remove a different item. After it's done, verify that the item no longer appears in your cart. Take a quick look through your cart list. The item should be gone now. If you had just that one item in there, your cart might be completely empty, and that's totally fine. You can also check the cart icon up top to see if the number has gone down by one. That's your confirmation. And that's it. You're done. Your cart is that much cleaner, and you're back in control. From frustration with a cluttered cart to confidently managing it with one simple click. I hope this helped you out. Happy shopping on eBay.